Hello from Quick Phone Repair. Today, we're excited to introduce a game-changing tool we've just received. The JTXTOOLS CT-1 motherboard component coil tester. This cutting-edge device helps us accurately detect faults in no-power devices, especially in the power section coils of mobile phones. Faster diagnosis, smarter repair. With the CT-1, our repair process is now more precise than ever. Quick Phone Repair, trusted, reliable, professional. Visit us today for expert-level chip repairs using the latest technology. Let's start how is working that.